you know, what the market has really concluded, and you see a lot of writing on this topic, both from the technology analysts as well as the financial analysts who cover companies like Amazon, that workloads that are reasonably predictable and have reasonable scale run much cheaper, much less expensively in a private infrastructure than inside of a public infrastructure. But one of the, you know, cost isn't the only reason that people choose a particular platform. You know, one of the great benefits of a cloud platform, a hyperscaler, is that the customer doesn't need to manage it, they don't need to run it, they don't have to worry about space in the data center, they don't have to worry about cooling and all of these things that you have to worry about. And for sure, that continues to be one of the things that you need to think about if you're going to put work in a public cloud. But with the technology advancements, both around, you know, what we're seeing with all-flash storage and converged and hyper-converged, we're seeing that calculus change because those technologies are much easier to manage, much easier to implement, take up much less space, are far more responsive. Latency clearly is something that needs to be considered when you're thinking about where to put a workload. They don't take as much energy to cool. So it's completely changing, and so it's this technology advancement that is changing the calculus. The benefits of putting something in a public cloud are still there. It's just that there end up being a lot of variables that need to be considered, and if our customers, this is a message we try to communicate to our customers, if they're not comparing the public cloud option to the newest technology that's available in the marketplace, they're not making a proper calculation, they're not making a proper investigation of the real options that are available to them.